Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be like doing what some people have been requesting, you know, like what's on my phone. Kind of crazy, I know, but like I kind of just wanted to give you guys what you wanted, so here we are. To start off, we're gonna be showing you my phone case first because I got a new one. If you can see that. It's really pretty. I really like this phone case. It's so like, it's very coquette. And also emo, because I'm still emo. So, now we're just gonna put my phone case back onto my phone. Okay. Now you can see it with the phone. Okay. Okay, so this is my lock screen over here. It's very coquette, but like when you really think about it, it's also very emo. So, yeah. Oh, don't mind that. That was just actually my boba from yesterday. So yeah, this is my lock screen. It's very coquette, but like when you really think about it, I was just like in this type of mood. So I had to be coquette. And yeah. So the apps down here are the apps that I go on the most, you know, like Spotify, Snapchat, and TikTok. But at the moment, as you can see, it's not like opening the app because I uninstalled TikTok because I don't want any temptations during the Lenten season, because this year I decided to give up TikTok for Lent, so I cannot have any thoughts about TikTok or any distractions. You get me? So yeah, that's app I'm on. But at the moment, I'm sort of like on Instagram a lot. You know? I just love Instagram. So we have that. And then I feel like I've been on Netflix a lot lately. I haven't really been. I have to like do something when I'm like really bored on Instagram. So I would go on Netflix. I love Netflix so much. And then we have like a couple more apps over here. We have my Roblox. We have my Pinterest. We have messages. You know, we have all of the casual, usual stuff. And yeah, I guess like that's basically all that's on my phone. Also, if you want this phone case, like this awesome, amazing phone case, I'm gonna have the link in my bio or the link in the description. And you guys can get it too, so we can like be matching. And I hope you guys enjoyed this really short, teensy-weensy, tiny video. But you guys wanted to see what's on my phone, so I showed you what's on my phone. But like, also do not forget to subscribe and also like maybe like this video, because then again, I did give you what you wanted. So just a thought, just a thought. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Love you. Bye.